Okay, so up here on the roof, out back right now, gonna walk around and take a look at a few things and talk about what I see. Um, so, first thing that I want to talk about here is some damage to the shingles done during the installation of the siding. Um, Kind of hard to see here because they use sort of a darker color caulking, but these two holes here were from nails that went through the shingles. They did seal them with caulking, but I always recommend replacing them because caulking will dry out eventually, and basically it becomes a maintenance item. And if you replace the shingles now, you never have to worry about it. So and you're gonna see that on the sides of the roof. The rake, also called the rake. Show you another spot here. Where is it? I think a couple spots they actually used a black caulking, so very difficult to see if they do that. This here is just some plastic from the packaging the shingles come in. But like, so right here is another two spots. Usually you'll see like maybe one and then another one up higher, but I'm not seeing it. So yeah, it looks like there's just that one there and then one down on the other side. Overall, in the grand scheme of things, not a huge deal. So pretty much something I see in all new construction. But then I did see a few damaged shingles. Like this one's probably the worst of them. It just got, I don't know, somebody, it was when they installed it, it was hot, and maybe somebody scuffed it with their boot or something like that. But yeah, I would recommend replacing that as well. Don't have to try to find the other ones. I did see at least one other one. I'll show you on this side where where those other holes were from the pump jack stabilizers. There's one. There's another one. Like I say, sometimes there's two. Sometimes there's just one on each side. And then there's one right there as well. So, okay. Okay, here's the other one. This shingle got torn here. So definitely would recommend replacing that one as well. And let's see. Some of this, I'll just point this out. This is not really a cosmetic thing, but you can see here, this white here. That's just part of the when they manufacture the shingles, they sort of put this white stuff there, and that's to tell you where to nail the shingle. And sometimes it shows a little bit where they maybe overexposed the shingle just slightly, but no nails showing or anything, so not too worried about it. It's pretty much just cosmetic. So, but just in case you were looking up here, you saw that and you're like, oh, what is that? Well, that's what it is. So let's see. I think that might have been it for damaged shingles. So let's go down and we'll talk about flashing on the porch roof. So I'll start talking about it now. Flashing on the porch roof was not done correctly. I'll show you when I get there. And I'll show you right here what it's supposed to look like. You have your typical drip edge flashing. It goes up above onto the roof and down over the fascia. And you might not be able to see it, but then there's the ice and water shield that goes on top of that. And so what they've done here on the porch roof is not recommended by most roofers or the manufacturer. Let's see if I can see here, but yeah, you can see right here, this is the fascia that comes up. Same on the front. The fascia just come up and bend out, and you can see the wood here. So the drip edge does not go over top, and it also does not come down. So